Are you? Where the fuck did you go?
I want to go to the last.
So I'm gonna go 4 more.
Yep.
All right.
And I can guarantee
ready?
you if I start
3,
to half,
2, 1. Let's do this. We're gonna pick these locks. We're gonna get all the money, Hunter. We're gonna be rich. Ah! Aren't you excited? I trained my entire life for this shit. I finished one.
Stop.
Ha! I got a bag of money. This is the last one, Hunter. We can do this. This is. Hold on. Ha! Our teacher would be so proud. I don't have a longer version, Hunter. Hunter, it's gonna be okay. I don't have a longer version. It's very short. Just like your dick.